What's up guys, what's up, all you doing today? Thank you for liking, sharing, and comments on my YouTube channel. And June the 25th is my birthday. I'm looking subscriber over my YouTube channel. Come over, like, share and comments. Yeah, and tell me what you want. And yo, June the 25th for my birthday. I mean, do you know for the wishes I want to wishes them over to my YouTube channel for my birthday, June the 25th. Yeah, and we can't have no party, so I want to make the pen pan to give me the wishes them. And give me like and shares and comments. And I want a laptop for my birthday. And I want a big stereo set, the big stereo them. Yeah man, it's the big speaker box them when them I said for $30,000. One like that. Yeah, I'm a laptop. I'm a good. I have my own sound system. I'm a good. So that I want for my birthday. So thanks for come over, like, share, comment, tell anybody about me, tell your friends about me. If you don't like me, put a thumbs up. Please put a thumbs up, cause thumbs up worship and anything. So thanks very much for liking my video. Thank you very much for watching my video and thing. My wife we have to wash her long, you know. She a wash, yeah. And she left me washing and gone down there to go and chop. And she chop the bush. Me carry down there. That's my dog, Bruno. Bruno, what happened? Oh, Rex there. Rex tie up. Rex tie up so. Hey Rex. Tie up. Yeah. See there? The woman here wash. And the woman there. Way down in the bush. Way down in the bush. Watch it. She's singing, guys. No, she's singing. I got frightened now. Guys, no, she's singing.
Don't do that.
I'm frightened you. Guys, you don't get chop before you go wash. You don't get chop. My friend no one. She said don't do that. Yes guys, we have a lot of pine come up. What a pine come up. Yes, you not come wash me do.
Yeah, come. Only one
Watch
in
it.
the yard, okay?
Watch it. I chop bush. I make road for people. And they still not gonna walk this. True, they don't want to walk in the yard. Guys, you see how she chop bush? She make a road. A strong, powerful woman this you know. I make road for people. True, then she don't want to walk through her yard. So if I go fence up the place then. I encourage you to bite apart. You encourage find the tree there, you know. Yes guys, for our views. Yeah. She a chop bush. Bush over president bush I'm talking about. Bush. With the bush them in their bush. You say bush in Jamaica. And I say the president bush. And I chop bush. Bush in Jamaica. See them there? Yeah, and she done a chop bush. I mean I have to go cook it now. Come now, they see that they said the must can't walk this now. She make see she chop you out the whole like the right up. Think woman that wash woman down and chop a bush me here chop down here. There chop bush. What you come on? Come up man. Come up. Let's go up. Yeah, chop bush. Yes guys. I have a lot of pine. Yeah? Pine come up. Pine come up guys and things. See it there? She go. She try to go down there so and go around this and go down there so. So she know nobody to walk in her yard. Yeah, if you see my ganja tree, yeah, they might come up.
I didn't but long fence now. Because they know I walk in the bush.
Because the tree them a dry up. Tree them a dry up.
Go and feed it.
Mad up. Then you see that the tree are mad enough. Then you come out. The tree are mad. You see nothing of them. The tree nothing growing as mad seed. She have fix up back her fence. And then broke down her fence and come over her yard. We put in tamp on the tree and while. We put in tamp on the tree and while. Breadfruit them. Tamp on the tree and while. Then I'll chop off the tree. Like it's them. Use it and catch it. Use it and catch it like, yeah. You want to have it in your hand.
Yeah, use it, but
Just use this. Back it. Put it back. And catch it like this. Yeah. See it? That's me, guys. So nobody not to walk over it again. Watch out, dry that long for.
No, dry don't hold
Water you want. Yes guys, so thanks for watching the video. Like, shares and comments and subscribe. The channel. Come much closer she have to wash and she gone chop bush. See it? She have to put one pan the line it. Oh guys, the pot is boiling up. I'm gonna need the flour here now, guys. So thanks to like, thanks to comment, thanks to share. Pick up yourself every time. Thanks everybody. Bye.